Hello everyone, we're Team 4 and my name is Daniel Galang.
And my name is Yamilah Marundan.
My name is Macalinsang.
And we're here to present our proposed system solution, Sked Traxx. So let's first discuss the organizational background of our target proponent, and it will be discussed by Yamilah Marundan.
As we moved on, for our organizational background, the Salle-College of Saint Benilde is a private Catholic school in Malate, District of Manila, Philippines. There are 3 campuses. One is along Taft Avenue, with 2 campuses along Pablo Ocampo Street and Arellano Avenue. The Salle-College of Saint Benilde is a network of 17 schools under the De La Salle Brothers Philippine District. This school was built up in 1980 amid the organization of Brother Andrew Gonzalez, FSC, as a College of Career Development, and the Salle-College of Saint Benilde is a night school for working understudies for this school. For the Agile Scrum team, we have stakeholders, and under the stakeholders is the students, professors, and CSB. And for business owners, we have under it is CSB. And for product owner, under the product owner, we have student body, represented by CSB, student government. And for the Scrum Master, we have Daniel Galang as business system analyst. And for the Scrum team members, is Yamilah Marundan as a designer and Lawrence Macalinsang as a programmer. The stakeholders will be the LSSB students, professors, and CSB as an organization because the application to be developed is aimed to improve the working schedule of the students. The business owner of the project will be the organization and CSB. This application will be proposed to the CSB, which will fund its development and participate in the project planning to remove impediments that may arise during product implementation. Moreover, some of the features of the application will come from a database of other local applications currently used by CSB, specifically the Student Information System and Big Sky.
Good evening, everyone. So I'm here to discuss about the project background. So the team decided to do this project because we intend to help students who, especially in Benilde, who are currently enrolling subjects to make it more efficient and fast for the students, so they won't have to wait in line for it and wait for the prof to reply. And another is to help the students manage their schedule better by providing an application where software where you can make your own schedule, set reminders, and set things you need to do for the subject, especially reminder in attendance, where you can track how many absences, lates you currently have in this subject. So we're gonna discuss now the application of the software. So first of all, we have 5 applications, which is pre-enrollment, calendar, attendance, to-do list, and analyzer. So the pre-enrollment basically is it will help you enroll the desired subject and the desired schedule faster and more, rather than waiting in line or waiting for the prof to approve it. Or then next is the calendar manager. So the calendar manager basically will allow you to set specific time and reminders when you have a quiz, homework, or something you need, something in the subject that is very important. For example, like announcements, you can set it there. The next is the attendance. So the attendance is where you input the date, input the number of input whether you are absent in this subject, and it will show you the total, or remind you how many absences or lates that you have already occurred in this particular subject. Then next is the to-do list. So the to-do list is basically where you can put reminders, such as do this meetups meetups for projects, and basically it's a reminder for what you need to do for the day. The next is the analyzer. So the analyzer is basically a compilation of how many things you need to do for a subject and how many absences you've already incurred. It's basically a summary of everything.
Okay, so guys, now we're going to have a run through of the entire application. So let's first start with the landing page, which is also the login page of the application. So the students will log in their CSB account, their ID number and password, and upon logging in, this will be the landing page of the application. So as you can see, there's a date today and the following notifications, if there's an upcoming class, if there's a reminder, a to-do list, or deadlines. So this is the second landing page, wherein it shows a calendar view, and it also specifies the subject that is available for the day, or the upcoming class for the day. So when we click the reminders, for example, in the notifications, it will lead us to the next page, which will show the reminders for that day, or for the subjects on that day. So going to the menu bar, these are the 5 modules, or as you can see, there are 6 modules in here. But in our application, there are only 5 main modules. So the calendar and the scheduling has been categorized as 2 modules in this section, just to remove confusion for the target users of the application. So first is the enlistment. The enlistment module, it is part of the CSB component of the enlistment, or the pre-enrollment. So the data that you can see in this area are those that are retrieved from the DLS CSB CIS pre-enrollment data. So these are the courses available for that specific student, that he or she may enroll for this term. So upon clicking the schedules and after clicking save, it will move us to the next module, which is the calendar module. So in the calendar module, if we click a certain area at this calendar, button will pop up if you want to add a new schedule. Like for example, you want to add a schedule other than subjects, like going to the gym or eating lunch or having a meeting. You can click the add schedule, and there it will add that schedule that you have inputted in the calendar section. So going back to the navigation bar, let's move on to the scheduling module. So the schedule module, as you can see here, is empty as of the moment, but we can add schedules, like add a specific data fields such as the name, the day, the time, and the duration if it's weekly, if the schedule should be done weekly. And upon clicking save, it will generate here a list of schedules for that specific day. So if we further dig deeper in this application, if you click on the specific schedule, you can see the notifications that are connected to that specific course or schedule. So the ones in at the upper portion of this application are the reminders. So those that are in bold and hard-colored reminders are those that are not yet read. Well, this one in a lighter tone are the reminders that have been read. So, okay, so going back to the navigation bar, let's click onto the attendance manager. So the attendance manager is the one that tracks your attendance per subject. So in here you can see that we have 4 subjects, and upon clicking this plus sign, it will record your attendance for that subject. Upon clicking the button here, it updates your attendance record for that subject. So, for example, your class today is Sandes and you click the plus sign, it will mean that you attended Sandes class. So if you want to add a new attendance plan, just click on this plus symbol at the top navigation bar, and it will lead you to the next page where you will input the data fields such as the name of schedule. They want the application to alarm you a few minutes or a few hours before the specified schedule or attendance record. And upon clicking save, it will update that there's an alarm set for that specific schedule. So let's go back to the navigation bar and heading on to the to-do list. So in the to-do list module, you can see here that you can create your checklist for per subject or per schedule that you have. And in this section, here are the ongoing checklists. Well, on the next part are the completed checklists. So next and the last would be the analyzer module. So the analyzer module it presents the report of the consolidated data that is gathered from the 4 other modules, like for example, the assignments, the attendance, and calendar. So it checks whether your performance per subject, per assignment, or per reminder section, or in your checklist, it generates a report whether you're doing well or there's a bit of a problem that needs to be worked on in a specific area. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like the prototype of our system, Skedtraxx, and we hope that you're able to understand and to appreciate how this system could be beneficial for the needs, the scheduling needs of the students in Benilde. So once again, my name is Daniel Galang on behalf of Team 4. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.